Hello fellow developers, welcome to XDA TV. This is Rawad, and today we're going through the goods and bads of the Xiaomi Mi Band 3 and comparing it to the Band 2. The Mi Band 3 features a 0.78 inches 128 by 80 pixels OLED display screen with a touch screen, a touch key, and Bluetooth 4.2 BLE. The screen allows for a decent number of added features compared to the Band 2, since the screen now allows for much more interaction methods than its predecessor. The feature list includes showing time, notifications, steps tracking, heart rate monitor, weather information, stopwatch, find device, and changing the watch face of the band. It also keeps the lift wrist to view info feature, which is pretty neat. One thing I noticed right after using the band for the first time is that they chose not to coat the screen with oleophobic coating. This means that the screen is a touch screen and also a fingerprint magnet. Not cool. Comparing the Band 3 with the 2, we can see that the only interaction between the user and the Band 2 is just pressing the touch key, whereas with the Band 3, we can also swipe up, down, left, right, and touch and hold the touch key. This allows us to willingly choose when to activate the heartbeat monitor, because in the Band 2, the monitor launches automatically when you switch between screens and land on the heartbeat monitor one. Remember when I was talking about fingerprint magnets? Well, worry not, because you can wash your hands with it, shower with it, and even go to the beach with it with no risk of any dust getting inside the band and no water damaging it for up to 50 meters underwater. One thing that might be a major issue to some of the people that want to use the Band 3 as a fitness tracker is that it'll give the user a hard time under direct sunlight. Its screen becomes next to useless under certain situations when you're running outside, for example. As for the Mi Fit app, it gives you the option to manage the Band 3 and to track your everyday fitness stats. Consider the app as the band's settings button. There are also many ways to manage the band outside the Mi Fit app, and I'll get to this in a later video. This has been an overview of the Xiaomi Mi Band 3. I hope I'm saying this right. And I was your host for today, Rawad on XDA TV. And I'll be seeing you soon.